I am an authority.
Bullpucky.
That's our response most of the time when somebody gets up in front of us and passes themselves off as an authority.
So what do you do to convince your audience that you know your stuff?
Here it is, COPS3.
Russell's mnemonic help you remember what it is you need to do to get people to acknowledge your authority.
C. Conviction, community, call to action. O. Objectivity, organization, order. P. Priming, presence, and professional relevance. And S. Storytelling, simplicity, and silence.
Well, that was a little fast.
One at a time. C is for conviction. You need to have an opinion,
Believe in it.
and you need to make it your own.
Pucky.
Community. Refer to the experts in the community to refer to common threats or issues.
4 out of 5 engineers have told us that this roof is going to collapse. C. Call to action. Hey! Establish a need, provide a solution. I want all of you to go to your cars, get your tire jacks, we're going to lift the roof.
O. Objectivity. Can you visualize all parts of the argument?
Anticipate objections to your thesis and deal with them. Well, yes, I slept with that other woman. But on the other hand, I brought you this beautiful flower.
Organization. Are your arguments structured, brief, and to the point? And also, have you established your bottom line up front? Have you told people what you're really going to be talking about?
Pucky?
And O, order. Now this is very special because anytime you get in front of people, you are establishing a certain order, and you need to get them to acknowledge them and to follow your orders in some way.
I'd like those of you on the right to sing the Hallelujah Choir from the beginning. Ready?
P. Priming first. You need to get as much information to the people about your expertise before you begin speaking, whether it be by somebody introducing you, an email.
I'd like to introduce you to Russell, who is a leading authority on authority. Why, thank you, Russell.
P for presence. That is your voice, your look, that's your posture, and your spirit. And finally, P for professional relevance. That is, what training, what sources have you used to come to your conclusion? And S for storytelling. Can you use storytelling to tell a point? S for simplicity. Can you minimize your message? Are your arguments structured? Are they brief and to the point? And S is also for silence. Shh, quiet. Can you be relaxed enough? Can you be quiet enough to hear what your audience is telling you? And finally, I'd add one more thing, one more S, which is soul. Are you putting your soul into the thing?
Hi, it's Russell again. So that may seem like a lot, but really it's just a checklist. So if you want that checklist, just click on the link below and we'd be happy to send it right to your inbox in PDF format. Or you can send me an email. Or you can send me a fish wrapped in brown paper.